Yo, what's up, gang? You know, it's your boy, Native TCG. Got 2 packs of Maize Muertos. You know, what I say all the time. Let's get right into it. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Drill, Armed Dragon, Dark Lord, Morningstar, Beta, the Electromagnetic Warrior, Ultimate Slayer, Nickel World Banshee, BEF Zelos, and a Chibi Time Wizard! Woohoo! Take one more look. Wow, amazing. Amazing. I mean, it's not the best hit, but I mean, a hit's a hit, bro. A hit's a hit. So, I'm not mad. I'm glad. Do the card trick. Let's see. Soul Union, Delta the Magnet Warrior. I have no idea how to say that. Banshee, Pilgrim Reaper. Another clue again. Oh my gosh, dude. This is like, oh my gosh. The Gaze of Timaeus. Wow. Wow, just look at that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Peace.